Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own search engine without any programming language and database server. Okay, this is a simple trick you can use there for daily search. Just of all, first you want to head on to google.com and enter for funny logo. Here, scroll down and see for funnylogo.info. Here you can see step 1, enter your name, choose a style and click on more logo styles and colors. Just give a name that you like. I'm going to choose Techy and select the style you wanted to display and choose the color or theme you wanna go to display there and click on create my search engine. Here you can see the Techy. Okay, it's so not nice. Spark. I I have created my search engine. Now I'm going to copy this URL and head on to Google again and search for Google short links, Google shortener. Here I wanna to go to goo.gl slash. That's where you can click on original, give the original URL and give the shorten URL and copy this, share to your friends. Then this is my URL of my website or my search engine. This is my original and this one is the original and this one is shorten URL. The given URL by the funny logo company is not secure, but the Google has gave the secure one. Now I'm gonna paste the URL on the browser. You can see my when you search for any, it will redirect to Google search. Here you can see Techy has been paired in my Google's and it will redirect to the same place. If you click Gmail, it redirects to Gmail, free radio, bulk SMS, video calls, Facebook. Okay, funny Google. I'm feeling lucky. Here you can see another search engine has been appeared. This is how to make a search engine without any programming language and database server and etc etc etc. Thank you guys for seeing this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends that they can easily develop a search engine and subscribe to our channel for more other updates.